This was a great one-day install for Matt and myself. The customer required faster internet, Wi-Fi in the house, and then also Wi-Fi to all 3 holiday lets. This image shows the connection that will eventually be from the house over to holiday let number 1, right round through to holiday let number 2 and holiday let number 3. Here's Matt getting the cable ready for one of the wireless links installed on one of the holiday lets. This is the 4G survey kit that we use to test the internet speeds that are going to be potentially available at the house, all powered from a battery pack, a little clever system we have. Here we are just trying to reuse as much cable that wasn't previously used on other jobs. Each holiday let has one of these wireless link antennas, all facing back to the house. And then here's the cables ready. You can just see it there behind the sky dish that we've pulled through, ready for the 4G antenna and the wireless link antenna that's going to send the connection to all 3 holiday lets. Here we are sending the external grade Cat6 cable from the lounge up into the ceiling. Here's one of the Wi-Fi bases that we install. That was a temporary fix actually, and here's one of the Wi-Fi. This is one of 5 Wi-Fi dishes that's going to go into each 3 of the holiday lets and 2 in the house. As you can see here, the speed's a little bit quicker than their 2 megabyte download speed that they were previously surviving on. Now this little clip is a little bit geeky. This is showing the RSRP value. You can just see that -79. That means the connection will be fully stable. On this install, Matt and I are using 2 laptops to update all the hardware, do internet tests. This is the brains of everything. The router, the network switch and the cloud key allows us for remote management and multiple networks created. And this is the external antenna and the 4G antenna installed on the same pole. This is the wireless link that's being broadcast, an outdoor Wi-Fi connection over to a caravan. So that people staying in there could get access to the Wi-Fi. This is a quick clip before we tidied it up of the internal Wi-Fi point and the cable going out to the external wireless link. And this is it all installed. As you can see, the network switch, cloud key on the top and the router. This allows us to create the guest slow network, guest fast network, the home network, all secure, all using fast internet.